Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious tacos de chile relleno y camarón. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 12 large jalapeños, 1 pound of large shrimp, flour, 5 eggs, chopped chile serrano, half of a small white onion chopped, 2 chopped Roma tomatoes, queso Oaxaca, your favorite seasoning, and black pepper. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by roasting our jalapeno peppers. So just make sure that you give them a quick rinse. And now we're just going to roast them completely. Okay, so make sure that you rotate them. And of course, if you don't want to use chile jalapeno, you want to use chile poblano, you can use your choice of chile. But these ones are going to fit perfectly on the tortilla. Alright guys, so once our chiles are fully roasted and they look like this, we're going to transfer them into a Ziploc bag. And we're just going to close it and allow them to sweat. Alright guys, so while we wait for our chiles to sweat, we're going to make our filling. So now we're going to begin by cleaning out our shrimp. So my shrimp are nice and cleaned already. And now we're just going to cut them into small pieces. Alright, so once we have our shrimp all nicely cut into small pieces, now we are ready to cook it with our vegetables. Alright, so we're going to grab a frying pan, we're going to set it on medium-high heat, and we're going to add a little bit of oil. Oh, it's hot already. Alright, so once our oil is ready, we're going to throw in our onions and jalapenos. And now we're just going to cook it for a couple minutes. Alright, so after 2 minutes, we're going to add our tomatoes. We're going to cook them for 1 minute. Okay, so after the minute, we're going to add our shrimp. We're going to season everything with our seasoning. And black pepper. And now we're just going to cook it for about 3 minutes. Alright, so after 3 minutes, our filling is done. So now we're just going to set it to the side. Alright, and I forgot to mention that we're also going to need queso Oaxaca. So this is the one that I like to use. So now we're just going to cut them. So like that we can stuff our jalapenos. Alright, so now we're just going to grab our chile and carefully remove all of the skin. And just make sure that you don't rip them. And just do the same to all your chiles. Alright, so once we peeled all of our chile jalapenos, now we are ready to stuff them. But before, we're going to grab our baking sheet and we're going to sprinkle some flour. Alright, so we're going to grab our jalapeno and we're going to create a slit. Now when you pick your jalapenos, make sure that you pick the biggest ones that they have. So like that you don't struggle and your jalapenos don't break. Now you can remove the seeds if you want to, or if you want your chiles to be spicy, you can leave it. So it's all going to depend on you. So you could just grab a spoon and kind of scrape the seeds out. Alright, so now we're going to grab our shrimp and carefully stuff your chile. And now we're going to grab our cheese and stuff our chile as well. Okay. So once you have your chile, we're going to throw it in our flour. And now we're just going to repeat the process. Alright, so once we have our jalapenos all nice and stuffed, now we're just going to sprinkle some more flour. Alright, so once we have our jalapenos ready, now we are ready to make our batter. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by separating our egg yolks from our egg whites. And we're just going to transfer our egg whites to a large bowl. And using a hand mixer or a fork, we're going to beat our egg yolks. to beat them until our egg whites are nice and foamy. Okay, so once your egg yolk look like this, and you're able to flip it and they don't fall, that means that it is done. So now we're going to add our egg yolks, and we're going to lightly beat it. Alrighty, and to that we're going to add 1/4 cup of flour and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So just mix it. Alrighty, and at this point you also want to get your oil ready so we can get ready to fry our chiles. Alright guys, so you want to get your medium frying pan and set it on medium heat. Alright, so once your oil is hot, we're going to grab our jalapeno and just press it down with the flour like that. And now we're going to dip it in the egg. So just make sure that it's fully coated with the egg. Okay, and now we're going to throw it in the oil. And now we're going to fry it until it's nice and golden. And just make sure that you throw a little bit of oil. And just when the bottom is nice and golden, we can flip it over. And now we're just going to repeat the same process to all of our jalapenos. Alright, so once the jalapeno is nice and golden from the bottom, we're going to flip it over and just repeat the same process to the other side. Alright, so once our jalapeno looks like this, it's nice and golden from both sides, it is ready. So now just remove it from the oil. And now we're just going to repeat the same process to all of our jalapenos. Alright, so now we can get our tortillas ready. And we're ready for the fun part. Alright, so now we're going to grab our chile relleno and we're going to cut it. And now serve it in your tortilla. Look at that, so delicious. And of course the toppings, it's all up to you, or you can just enjoy them like that. Alright, so I'm just going to add a little bit of cabbage, some purple onion, and I'm going to top it with some more shrimp. Just top it, make it a extra taco. And then you can top it with your salsa roja. And now we are ready to enjoy our delicious tacos de chile relleno and shrimp. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am sorry, and of course, it's best to eat it as soon as the chile relleno is out of the oil. But now enjoy. It's seriously super delicious, so flavorful, and the chile relleno, it's like so fluffy. It's just so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious tacos de chile relleno y camaron. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.